Hello, hi, namaste, Jai Jagannath, my all mining friends. Let us start about new topics, discussing about new topics, the factors affecting choice of surface mining methods. The factors affecting choice of surface mining method. All minerals could be extracted by open cast mining method, but the decisive factors are the economic of a production and total versus partial production. The following factors are to be considered before selecting the method. All minerals could be extracted by open cast mining method. Main motive of open cast mining method or the advantages of open cast mining method जोटा कि गोटे ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग मेथड रे जो एडवांटेजेस रही डिसीसी फैक्टर्स रही जोटा कि ऑल मिनरल्स आम एक्सट्राक्ट कर परिबा ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग मेथड द्वारा बट द डिसीसी फैक्टर्स आर द इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड टोटल but the decisive factor are the economic of production and total versus partial production. Economic of production and total versus economic and of production and total versus partial production. The following factors are to be considered before selecting the method. The below the methods which are given is to be selected for selecting for considering following factor are to be considered before selecting the method. First point is depth of deposit means flat and outcrop deposit or flat deposit in a shallow depth are the best for the open cast mining. Means flat and outcrop deposits which deposit are extended in flat or outcropped deposits which are outcropped in surface or flat deposit in a shallow depth or which deposit is flat or in situated in shallow depth are the best for the open cast mining. Best for the open cast mining. Then second point is steeply dipping deposits. Steeply dipping deposits occur in hilly terrain. Steeply dipping, which deposit are deposited in steeply dipping deposits occur in hilly terrain. Outcropped or the deposit under shallow depth can also be extracted in open cast mining. The meaning of total of this point of deep of deposit meaning that is the which mineral are deposited in shallow depth and outcropped manner. These are very suitable. These are very suitable for open cast mining or surface mining method. The next point is size of deposit. The thickness, width and lateral extent of the ore body is the crucial factor to consider the thickness of overburden. The thickness, width and lateral extent. The thickness, width and lateral extent of the ore body. The thickness, width and lateral extent of the ore body is the crucial factor to consider. The thickness of overburden plays the thickness, width and lateral extent of the ore body is the crucial factor to consider. Size of deposit. The thickness, how much the thick is the mineral, the width of the mineral band, lateral extent, how the mineral body is extended of the ore body is the crucial factor to consider the surface mining method. The thickness of overburden plays a vital role. The thickness of overburden plays a vital role determining the stripping ratio, degree of mechanization, geometry of excavation. These are affected by thickness of overburden. Uniformly extended and thick deposit are suitable for open cast mining. Then the third point told the uniformly extended and thick deposit, which deposit are uniformly extended and deposit thickness, ore body thickness is more thicker, are suitable for open cast mining. Stripping ratio. The stripping ratio is plays vital role, or the stripping ratio also is a factor which is affecting choice of surface mining method. The stripping ratio. What is the stripping ratio? Tell the ratio of overburden to mineral. The ratio of overburden to mineral. The stripping ratio is a ratio to overburden to mineral or coal. Less than 4:1 is desirable for surface mining. The stripping ratio is 4:1 is desirable for surface mining. In some cases, the ratio up to 6:1 is also considered as economic. In some cases, the ratio up to 6:1 is also considered as economic. 6:1. 6 overburden is to 1 mineral. Surface topography. The leveled or plain topography area is best for surface mining. In hilly terrains, it is difficult. In hilly area or terrains area, it is difficult to lay out the haul road, drainage system, crusher, stacking of minerals, dumping of waste materials, workshop, etc. Then the geotechnical parameters of rock. What is the geotechnical parameters of rock? The rock parameter कौन रहिबो, geotechnic कौन रहिबो rock रे affect रहिबो choice of open cast mining रे, choice of surface mining रे. The geological disturbance like fault, fold, fracture, etc. affect bench formation. The nature, type and characteristics of overburden also play vital role for selection of mining method. Excessive water bearing strata also make problem for open cast mining. Production target and degree of mechanizations. Then the next point is production target and degree of mechanization, which is affect the choice of surface mining technology or choice of open cast mining technology. The point of it is the bench geometry is that the height, the width, slope angle of the bench, number of benches both in overburden and mineral or coal are dependent upon the production target and degree of mechanization. We read again it. It is very important which affect the choice of open cast mining. The bench geometry is that the height, the width, slope angle of the bench, number of benches both in overburden and mineral coal are depends upon the production target and degree of mechanization. The height of the height of the bench, the width of the bench, slope angle of the bench, number of the bench in overburden and coal or mineral depend upon the production target and degree of mechanization. Then the next point is the life of mine. The life of mine also depends of the production and the degree of mechanization. The life of mine also depends upon the life of mines also depend upon the production and degree of mechanizations. It's all about the factors affecting choice of surface mining method. The question factor affecting choice of surface mining method is come in all over the exam, like polytechnic level mining exam, diploma level mining exam, BTech level mining exam, semester exams, and the mining inspector exam, junior mining officer exam, PSU senior mining officer or mining officer exam. All the exam syllabus have factor affecting choice of open cast mining method, and this question also is a important question for those exam. Thank you for the watching this over the sessions.